Hello, Jammers! Siren AJ here. Today, I saw that, I think it's pronounced Nutelli or something, is doing a live, and they're right here, like, next to me. This is so cool, because they have 24K subscribers, and look, these people are like, please buddy me, so I think this is pretty cool to see someone famous, right here. Right there. Okay, I'm now at Nutelli's den, and I'm gonna be a annoying fan right now and be like, Otto, please, because, you know, it's really cool, and he's probably gonna be like, no, I am not gonna give anyone an auto, but, so, yeah. Wait, I'm sorry, I don't know if Nutelli's a boy or a girl, so I'm sorry, I shouldn't be assuming genders, so I'm just gonna call them a they. Okay, watch this. Okay, they say my name, look.
Alright. How do you have a dislike? Oh my gosh, I have a dislike. Oh my god.
Okay, I'm waiting till it shows up.
I never win. Well, I'm hoping you're not only here for the giveaway, but you can also have fun.
It's almost there. Almost.
Holly, you're looking snazzy. Leave the bunny wants you.
Thank you.
Looking snazzy as well.
Yes. That's me right there. Score! Okay, so that's really cool. They know I exist now. I wonder if I can be, like, maybe, okay. Maybe, okay, I'm gonna trade them and somehow, you know, see what happens. Okay. Let's see how generous I'm being for spikes. Wait, what? Oh, that's why. Okay. Since I don't have really anything, oh yeah, I really don't have anything. I wonder. Okay, I'm gonna do that. Okay, I'm not sure if this is worth. Oh. Oops. Wow, I totally messed that up. Oh, Nutelli's a she. I am so sorry, Nutelli. Oh, what did, oh, alright, so, there we go. I'm gonna say hi, because, you know, that's what any normal human would do. Wait, type, alright. Okay, sorry, that was the sound. I wonder if she's gonna check her jamograms, so I was thinking, there we go. And a little rare, because I don't really have much at all. Okay, so I'm gonna search. Oh my god, is that the meme? Also, sorry, the live is in the background, so if you hear like a bunch of noises, don't mind that. Right there. There. Right there. Okay, so turns out Nutelli is wrapping up the stream, so I'm gonna try to trade them. Okay. So I wonder if, oh wait, I don't know. Is she still online? Okay, good. Okay. I'm gonna see if this works. Sorry about that noise, but anyway. So that's really it for the video. I hope you liked it. Please click that red subscribe button and leave a like, because yeah, I want it. And yeah, so also you should subscribe to Nutelli because she's pretty cool. So yeah, bye, Jammers.